Look who's wearing his first pair of sneakers. Come walk over here. Come here, Jar. Whoop. It's okay. It's okay. Come here. It's okay. Come here. Good job. Gavin's like, where are my sneakers? Good job with those. Here, look. Come over here, Jared. Yeah, there you go. You got it. You got the hang of it. Whoop. Good job. Aw, all right. Okay, little buddy. You did good.